Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. In my previous video I have showed you this vintage clock, table clock, and today I'm gonna show you another another vintage electronic component or device or gadget, whatever you can say. It's a digital diary from Casio SF4900ER, 128 kilobyte backlight display. It's from Casio. It's a bit dirty. I have collected it from old antique shop mainly. Here is some information. Battery 9 volt. There is 3 batteries made in Malaysia. Okay, this slim looking things. Here is the port. Maybe it's a data port. I don't know really what is this. It cannot be the headphone jack or something. And there is a battery compartment. There is 3 batteries. A reset button, and you cannot pull this battery without using the replacement switch. If I take it number 1 position, now you can unlock the battery in the position number 1, then you can pull out the battery, otherwise the lock will not open, and this is the normal state. Now here we can see some instruction. Here some instructions, and this is the buttons, light, calculation or convert, on off, telephone book, memo, and other things, function, shift, caps lock, symbol, space, next, delete, etc. And if I turn it on, it's turned on. Today's time, telephone book, time. Here you can what is this? Memo to do expenses. This switch will keep track of your expenses. This is schedule. This is calendar, 2018. Today is 2 Monday. Calendar, and then you have a secret button here. You can set pin, and it has a backlight. It is work time. This is the map. Okay, you have a backlight here. You cannot see this for the camera light. I will show you this. Light is from my computer monitor, and if I turn it on and let the light, this is how you see this. This backlight can help you to see it in the night, and this is nice, so nice, it looks cool. Oh sorry, I turned it off. It looks so cool in real life and also in this camera. So nowadays 128 kilobyte is a laughing stock. Of course, you can buy micro SD card this size, 128 gigabyte on it. It was a diary to keep track of your expenses, reminder, and we can do it on our phones nowadays. So it is gone, and nobody wants this. So I have one, and I will keep it for the future. The future generation will see it, and of course they will love. What is this? What kind of things is this? Okay, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment what do you think about this tiny digital diary. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time with a new vintage or antique things like this. I'm trying to collect it and I want your support. Thank you.